To mirror phone screen using screen copy. First, search for SCRCPY. Now, go with Genymotion GitHub page. Scroll down, and under Release, choose Version. Click on the zip file to download it. Once download, extract it. Go inside the folder and in path address, enter CMD. Now, go to Phone Setting, and from bottom, choose About Phone. Find the build number, and click on it 5 to 7 times. And Developer option activated. Now, go back and find Developer option. Enable USB debugging and ADB debugging. Connect phone using USB to system. If you are not getting any connect prompt, then go back, and it will appear. Connect it. Now, in CMD, enter SCRCPY, and your device starts mirroring and can access it through your PC.